Did you know your website has a speed problem? For the same reason that LA has a traffic problem. I know both these things sound wildly unrelated, but trust me, they're more similar than you think. Akshat is going to tell us the story of why.
LA's traffic is infamous. You know, we have all seen those memes with freeways packed with cars. And this problem goes back all the way when to 60s when they actually had only 2 lanes. If you ask me today, how do you solve traffic when you have 2 lanes and it's packed? Let's add more lanes. But unfortunately, as we have seen over the years, that didn't help.
Which they added more lanes and the traffic stayed the same.
The number of jams and the traffic jams stayed the same.
Right.
There is a huge correlation between this and how we approach performance problem for our website.
How?
Every day actually, if you go to any of these WordPress forums, Facebook groups, you'll see people asking, hey, my website is slow, what should I do about it? And the very first comment is, you should go and get this premium web host. That's just the common advice. And in fact, I'm also guilty of it, where we had a web host and like, fine, website is slow.
Yeah.
Let me get a better web host. I did that. These other people also do that, and they get 1 or 2 points improvement at best.
In terms of speed, more or less all of them are doing almost the same thing, so you get a slight boost.
But you don't see that big jump that you were really expecting.
Yeah, not like a 3x, 4x.
You're fairly disappointed at that point of time, and you're almost at your wit's end. Why does this happen? You need to go to the core reason why a website is slow. If you go to most websites today using page builder sliders, they end up downloading 4 MB, 5 MB of data. That's a lot of data. The way to solve it is to figure out what part of the website should you load, what you should not load, what you can remove. Let's take an example of lazy loading. You only load images which are visible, what is not visible.
Yeah, so like just above the fold first and then the rest.
Exactly. That's essentially a front-end optimization. Similarly, there are hundreds of front-end optimizations that you can do to improve a website's performance. And all of these things stack together to give that really good performance.
So what you're saying, there's no silver bullet. I can't just buy a more expensive thing and I'll just have to solve a lot of small problems.
Exactly, and this is the approach we have taken with Airlift, that there is no silver bullet.
I was just going to ask you, because my experience of using this, we just released it, right? Is that you add your site, it's just one click and then the website is fast. So I thought, we've discovered some new secret method.
There is no secret, there's no magic. I've actually just doing a lot of these small things and stacking it all together to get the best performance. This is essentially what, if you read what the experts say, is something that the biggest cities in the world need to do.
Right.
They need to make a lot of small fixes which all come together to solve the problem of traffic.
Instead of just throwing money at the problem.
Instead of just throwing money at the problem or buying a bigger server.
Well, that was fascinating, guys. And that is how the traffic in LA is actually correlated to the speed of your website. I hope you guys had fun with this video today, and we'll see you again next time.